Jordan Kamer, and I am a health educator, a public health educator at the Anchorage Health Department. Public health as an educator is you're generally giving people information about health. I can't diagnose or give specific medical advice. Public health is based upon making sure that everybody's healthy, and it's things that you might not think of, like tuberculosis, STDs, teens and young people getting birth control that maybe can't afford it otherwise or don't know where to go or don't have access. Along with the naloxone trainings, I also do sexual health education, and of course at age-appropriate levels. My main audience is basically teens and then young adults, and I do presentations on birth control, STDs, and also healthy relationships, because that's a really important part of the conversation that kind of didn't exist when I was a teenager. All those conversations we have now about bodily autonomy and consent, reproductive justice, reproductive coercion, and those things are really, really important for teens to know about. So I have a Bachelor's of Health Sciences on the Health Educator track, and I have a Associates of Applied Sciences in Medical Assisting as a prior degree. So I worked as a medical assistant for 8 years before this. I think at 21, my mom was like, you need to pick something and you need to graduate. So I looked at all the credits that I had and I ended up choosing medical assisting. So I got the associates for that, did the practicum or the externship, and then worked in a doctor's office for several years. Then I realized I wanted to go back to school for some kind of more education to move up the career ladder. And I was an adult, but I still needed to keep working so that I could support myself and go to school. So I was like one of those working college students that isn't taking time off all day long. So it worked that I could take classes, go back to work, and still make my 40 hours a week. UAA was just easy for me to access. It had all the options that I needed, and I guess really, really helpful because I've got 2 college degrees from it, and I wouldn't be here now without having had the education and the experience and the time that was spent at UAA.